Hi guys, Brooke Benencosa here, registered nurse, here to talk to you about your endocrine system and the importance of decreasing stress and things like that in your life so that you can have a better supported immunity. So the endocrine system has a bunch of different organs in it that all correlate and work together to keep your body balanced. It has your pancreas, which helps regulate your blood sugar and it helps you digest your food. And then you have your thyroid, which also helps release some things to help regulate your calcium and your mineral absorption in your body for bone health, and has a little bit of immunity too. Then you have your thymus that helps regulate your heart and circulation, and that also it releases T cells, which are a big thing in immunity. And your thymus actually shrinks as you get older, so it's important to try to do everything that we can to keep that healthy and vital. I mean, you want all of your organs vital. You have your adrenal glands. They sit on top of your kidneys, and they're kind of the shock absorbers of the body. I mean, that's what is going to help you regulate your stress hormones and everything like that. And when those are out of balance, it can make you feel like you have chronic fatigue. It can increase your heart rate. It can make you gain weight. Those high levels of cortisol in your body running all the time is not ideal. Your body is not meant to have high levels of cortisol. We do not live in the Stone Age where we are getting chased by saber-toothed tigers anymore. So we do need to learn how to decrease our stress, because then if we learn to decrease our stress better, we can handle those day-to-day stressors a lot better, and we can think quicker. I mean, if you're in this fight or flight response all the time, you're not going to react to someone pulling out in front of you in the road as quickly as you would if you were relaxed and didn't have those high levels of stress all the time. Because once you have these high levels of stress, it decreases your immune system so severely that you can't heal, you can't function, and every little daily life of every little thing you will not respond as well. So it's really important to think of these things, and things that we can do to help increase our endocrine system are meditation, clearing your mind. Your mind is such a busybody. Even when you sleep, it is processing everything that happened to you throughout the day and is healing your body and is recovering. Your brain does not sleep when you sleep. So the only time your brain really gets a break is when you take time to be quiet or be mindful. Notice what is going on in your body. Give your body and mind that time to be clear. And the next thing that really helps is breathing techniques. The way you breathe can tell me as a nurse a lot about you if you're a stressed out person or if you deal with stress well. I mean, most of us are chest breathers, which is not how we need to breathe. That can actually increase your fight or flight response by just breathing with your chest. We need to take a note from babies and breathe like a baby. Use belly breathing. Sit there and lie on the floor, put a book on your stomach, and watch it slowly rise and fall with that book. And that actually helps decrease those cortisol levels and those stress hormones and everything like that. So practice breathing. Hold your breath. Breathe slower and longer. That's going to really help your body reset. And yoga is a great thing to help stimulate blood flow into all these organs. It helps stretch out those ligaments and tendons, and it helps flush out arthritis. It helps flush out stress and toxins and everything like that. And just moving and stretching your body is so important. And a lot of these poses that you can do help stimulate these certain glands in your body. You can do yoga poses to help stimulate your thyroid. You can help with your adrenal glands. There's yoga poses that can move every part of your body, your sex organs, everything like that, to get fresh blood flow and oxygen to those areas, which is super important that we do not even think about. And green leafy vegetables, high vitamin B's, vitamin C's really help with your endocrine system. And reducing sugar is a really big thing, because any type of sugar, carbs, or anything like that, when it's broken down, it creates a very acidic environment, which is just toxic to your blood vessels. And that's when we get clogged arteries and heart attacks and strokes and blood clots and things like that. It's not actually from high fat diets, it's from high sugar, high carbs, refined sugars, things like that. And that also creates inflammation, which can cause arthritis. It also causes autoimmune diseases. So everything is very correlated, and being mindful of these things. And a good way